Hello, my name is Bhavna, and today I'd like to share my personal reflection on our recent project, that is Fitness Club Business. So, this project was a fantastic learning experience, and I'm excited to discuss the different aspects, my contributions, and what I've learned along this way. First of all, I'd like to discuss the overview of our project. So, we are tasked with developing comprehensive solution for our client, Rajvinder Kaur. She is the client of our project who runs a fitness and wellness business. The goal was to collect and analyze to enhance and expand the fitness club offerings, making it a one-stop destination and various physical activities. Now I will elaborate the different components of our project, highlighting my contributions and experiences. So, so going to another slide, justification of contribution. I contributed to this project by efforting my skill sets in data analysis, project management, and dashboard development. Using a database, I was able to efficiently manage and analyze the data. My project management skills ensures me stay on track, and my proficiency with Microsoft Power BI enabled me to develop a highly interactive and user-friendly dashboard. So what are my largest contributions? So the largest contributions of mine are data collection and analysis, firstly database implementation and dashboard development. So as I already said, one of my largest contribution was the data collection and analysis, where I gathered and interpreted data using PostgreSQL. This was crucial for our project foundation. Another significant contribution was the database implementation, where I designed and set up a scalable and secure database in the database called PostgreSQL that we used to handle large volume of data efficiently. Lastly, I developed an interactive dashboard in Microsoft Power BI that provide real-time insights and was easy for user to navigate. This was vital for making the data accessible and useful for decision making. So going to the another slide now, unique contributions or new learnings. So one of the unique contribution was introducing innovative data visualization technique in Power BI, making our dashboard more insightful and user friendly. um, I was I also developed a new method for categorizing fitness activities, which helped me create more personalized user experience. Throughout the project, I learned a lot about Microsoft Power BI and its advanced data visualization feature. I also gained deeper understanding of database called PostgreSQL for advanced data management, and honed my project management skill in agile setting. So we used agile methodology with a Scrum framework. So going to the another slide. So what I like the most about the course uh, was the hands-on project, which gave me a practical experience with tools like Power BI and PostgreSQL. The collection with team members also enhanced my learnings and teamwork skills. However, I felt that the limited um, access to additional advanced tools and resources, and the tight time constraints sometimes hinder deeper exploration of the complex topics. To improve the course, so so to im- sorry to improve the course, I suggest providing more access to advanced tool and resource, allowing more time for complex products like projects, and incorporating more guest lectures from industry expert. These changes could provide a richer and more comprehensive learning experience in my thought. So going to the another slide. Here I'm going to discuss about like whole of the assignments and all of the work we did in our project, master project. So firstly, we did our first assignment called product storyboard, where we came to know about our details of our client who owns the business, like fitness club business. Project details, what is the project about, what the project's deliverables are, and what is the project start and finish date, stakeholder, who are the stakeholders in the project, how to communicate and collaborate with our team members and our client and supervisor, project approach. What was the project approach? The project approach was agile methodology, that I came to know about that as well. Decided a role of each team member. So I've decided my role as a project manager, and I decided like other team members roles as well, like some of them are data analytics, some of them are BI researcher, some of them are designer. So I've also learned to create user stories and acceptance criteria. Like I created around 25 to 30 user stories, and my team members also make some user stories, and once they make, I check that user story, and if there are duplicates and has some error, I confirmed with supervisor and correct them. So we also had weekly stand up in our project, so where we can discuss about our project to our clients and the supervisor. We can ask what we need for our project, and our tutor as well. We collaborate with everybody, and we finalize what we need for our project. So product roadmap. This is the assignment where I've gained product vision, product backlog, revised user story and acceptance criteria, product schedule, Gantt chart. So here, um, I've decided what is the product vision, because at first, in the product storyboard assignment, our supervisor say ask us to like, please review your user story and do it again, like if you something wrong you need to do it again. So that's why we prepared our user story again with acceptance criteria and confirmed with supervisor. And product backlog is simply the like short form of our user story that we created and discussed to our tutor as well. Revised user story means the corrected user stories which contains valid acceptance criteria. And I have prepared Gantt chart here. So Gantt chart is something like when which contains the time limit when we start our project and when we finish our project. It contains like that. This is the another slide for sprint retrospective, which is the assignment where we have to build our product during sprint 1, 2, and 3, showing and confirming with our client. So I created some visualization using Power BI, added features such as slicers, custom tooltips, a drill through map, forecast, and many more. And I also built database called Fitness Club in PostgreSQL. Here are some evidence. So here is the um, fitness club database where I have created some tables, like members table, campaigns tables, equipment tables. And going to the sprint one. So I have simply created some dashboards called member dashboard and client history dashboard. So I've added some page navigation menu and some basic visualizations where I can see the total numbers of members, like basic, premium, and VIP members. What are the membership trends, reasons for attending? These are the few dashboards I created by confirming with our client in the first sprint. And then for the second sprint, I have created another dashboard, which are simply called maintenance dashboard, where I have added features such as map, and some icons over here. And I've also added here some custom tooltips. So like how many revenue is generated by month through where, like 132 34 membership generated this amount of revenue by month, like that. And then these are the campaigns dashboard as well, where here is the slices and drill through. I also created drill through, which is all about the details of some particular thing. And here's the custom tooltip page. So lastly, I am going for the um, uh, last sprint. So here, this is the final dashboard that we decided for sprint 3. So I created like 5 dashboard where I decided and confirmed with our client, and she is very okay with it. And first dashboard is members dashboard, trainers dashboard, equipment dashboard, sales dashboard, and cancellation dashboard. For home page, I have created some navigation buttons where I can go from various place. From here I can go to different dashboards. So first, when I click to the members dashboard, I can go to the members dashboard here. So this is simply the details about members we have in our fitness club. So Here are the slides, like how many members are from South area. When I click here, I can see, and when I see Perth, our map is going to work over here, and each page has a bookmark. So when I click to the bookings and the pricing, I can see how many bookings, like total bookings, bookings by year, booking by facility area, bookings of trainers, discount for membership type, and how many payment has done by the membership. Similarly, going to the trainers dashboard, we can see how many total trainers, like total trainers we have, class capacity by trainers, members, current progress, how many, like the top five trainers, trainer by exercise, like how many trainer have how many attendees. Alan trainer have 101 attendees, similarly like that. And intensity, trainer ID by intensity, like running is done by most of the trainers here. And we can see other visualization related to ratings as well. When I click to the rating, I can see like how many trainers get how much rating, and complaints, how many complaints, like some of the list of the complaints here are broken discrepancy, air conditioner, broken mirror, something like that. And when I want to go to equipment dashboard, I can see here like equipment by equipment type. Here I can see like uh, 503, it means weight equipment. It has the highest like uses from the members. And net profit by equipment, like here also weight is the most like having net profiting equipment. So uses, category type, expenses, operating expenses of equipments by year, client engagement by class. Here we can see, CrossFit is the lowest, and the body balance and Zumba is the highest. Zumba and Pilates is the highest client engagement dashboard. Similarly, going to the sales dashboard, here we can see how many products we sell, how many like some of ROI we have, how many some of quantity sold, total revenue we generated, total how many total products we have. And going to the research channel, here I generated this uh, old cloud feature here, like saying how many campaigns, more like more bigger values, those like highest client engagement here. So, I also created the um, forecast here. So it simply means like quantity sold of the product by year, like in 2000, 2025 to 2030 and more, it's going to be increased to sold our product. Similarly, going to the cancellation dashboard, I've created some visualization here, saying count of cancellation by how many cancellation has done by year, kind of cancellation, why they cancelled, and total subscription and renewal status. Yeah, so this is the overall our product. This is our product. Now going to the another slide. So product demonstration, so I have made the product promo video where I use animaker to show our product for demonstration to our client and supervisor. So my reflection on this is creating a product demonstration video for a fitness club business is essential for showcasing the facilities, equipments, and varieties of classes and training sessions offered. They also provide a compelling way to communicate membership details, pricings, and special offers, encouraging viewers to take the next step, whether it's signing up for a membership or booking trial session. So the last slide is project write-up of what I have contributed for project background, data modeling, data pre-processing, product discussion, system testing and validation, formatting the whole project report, references, and lastly the appendix. Thank you.